Okay, hello guys. Welcome to my show. This is my desk. It's very messy, but I've been playing with Legos for a while. And today we're gonna show you what I built so far, and then we're probably gonna build some more. Okay, so this is my whole Lego set. This is my Lego cat. Hello. Yes, and I have a Minecraft chicken. Minecraft lovers, look at this guy. Okay, yes, and this is my whole house. I built this all. Diamondos right here. A cherry. Do you want it? So yes. I also have this cute doctor thingy. It's like, this is like a bunny, I think. And it has the heart stuff and it's a pet. So yeah. And I think its name is like Olivia, because right here I think it says Olivia. I don't know, but okay. And I have this thing, and I have no idea what it's for, but I guess so. Okay, so today we're building a pizza factory. Oh, but I need to show you guys my pizza. Yes, this is my pizza. I hate vegetables. Too bad there's vegetables on this. Okay, so we're gonna start with a base plate. So I have this full base plate, so I need to like empty it out. So one sec. I will take a second. So take a half base plate. 1/2 base plate. It can be any color you want it to be. Just take a half base plate for this. Then we're going to grab this block. If you don't have this block, you can use like a different block. But this is the block we're going to use for like the heating source thing. Put it on top of a green block. And then you can put it anywhere you want. But before you put it on, we have to build the oven itself. So first for the oven, we're going to need this like little platform right here. And then you're gonna need these two. The bottom blocks can be any color you want, and the top blocks can also be any color. It doesn't matter on the color. I like putting, okay, now put them at the edges of this. And now next, grab your pizza. You need a pizza for a pizza factory. If you don't have a pizza, then you can just like draw a pizza on a Lego piece. I usually do that, yeah. So I picked this pizza. Sorry. Pizza. And then you can put your pizza on this like one 2x2 Lego plate, blocky Lego plate, not the smooth ones. And then grab another 1x2 Lego brick, and then put it on one of the edges of it. It can be the Lego brick can be any color you want it to be. So can the plate. And now you have this structure so far. Put this right in the back, right there, that. Or you can do it this, or you can do it this way, however you want it to be. I like the other way better because it now looks more like a stone oven, a brick oven. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. And we also have these pieces, 1x1 pieces, 1x1 Lego bricks. You can go get 2 of them. And then grab these 4x4 brick, 4x4. No, I'm sorry. 1x4 plates, bricky plates, and then put it on top. Then this is how you get it so far. This is your oven. And then now put it in a corner. Like, actually put it on the side. I like to do it this way. So like you can run around like that. And now next you're gonna have to put down this piece that we made earlier. If you don't have that piece, draw on a block. Okay? Do that. If you want to build this, go ahead. Nobody cares if you want to or not. This is just a tutorial. So this, now you have this underplace. That's where the fire goes. And this is how heaty where it goes. Yes. And now we also need some other pieces, like a table to like put the stuff on. Yes. So you're gonna have to look for these 2x4 pieces, plates, bricky plates, because we're gonna have to put stuff on it. Grab 2 of them. If you want a bigger table, get more. But remember, it has to be at least 2 to make this table. I picked 3 because I freaking love it. So I picked 3. Where's my third one? Right here. I got 3. 1 brown one. It can be any color really. Doesn't matter on the color. So yes. Actually I picked 4 because I freaking love this stuff. Legos are my favorite thing to do. So yes. Grab any. No one cares. Not me. I don't care. Pick a block. It can be a 3x3. You guys pick. Not me. I picked 2 because I like them. Those are smaller bricks. So yeah. And there you have this piece so far. Actually, yeah. You can be long tables or you can have short tables. I picked long because they're easier to make. You just like attach them, and then you have your own very cool table. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Ta-da! Did I say 4 or did I say 3? I don't know, but yes. Then you can put these 3x3 bricks. Like, they have an extra, but there's a reason for that. I'll show you very soon. But right now, we're not going to pay attention to that because I don't really care about that right now. Where is my other 3x3? Actually, if you don't want that, then you can also use a 2x2. But yeah, since I don't have another 3x3, I'm going to use a 2x2. You don't have to put that one block out because it's because that one block out is supposed to be like some sort of bench thing. Yeah. I'm going to do this. There you have that cute table. And now put it somewhere on the edges. Okay, this is our build so far. My build. You can change it around if you like. If you don't like it, I like to do it this way or this way. Both is fine. My little chair fell. 1 second. Okay. I'm back. So yes. After that, you can get a sink. Clear water pieces. Okay, clear. Water is clear, so you need that, okay? 1 clear water piece. And then grab this piece. Of course you need that. Duh. So yeah. Grab that, and then we're going to slay. Okay. Grab that. Actually, no, we don't need that piece. Grab a bowl, like a 1x1 stud bowl. I have no idea what this is. I think it's a stud bowl. It has this thing on the back. And now put them in an edge or a place that you know that you won't really need. So let me show you how it's gone so far. Tap, tap on the wall. Yes. So now you also need the ingredients. So this will be some veggies. I hate veggies, but okay. Yes, veggies will be placed on there because I have to do it for this pizza area thing. So put it on these 1x2 plates. They can be clear, but yeah, your choice. And then you can also add some salt somewhere. Where's my salt? Oh, here. I call this salt can. So yeah, that's all for this part. See you next part soon. Bye.